Most people don't even realize they have this. Let us assume that I am a beautiful young woman. My husband is a poor, hard-working man. A lecherous man, upon seeing me, becomes infatuated. Through various acts of assistance and feigned sympathy, employing all manner of deceit, trickery, and coercion, he somehow manages to establish a physical relationship with me. Now, prior to this encounter, I already shared an intimate bond with my husband. Consequently, whatever physical impurities or disorders existed within my husband and me were absorbed by this man. Furthermore, when he subsequently engaged in physical relations with his own wife and others, he transmitted the impurities from their bodies back to me. Thus, having become afflicted by these disorders, when he later lay with his wife, she effectively became, in a spiritual or karmic sense, a co-wife to my husband. And any offspring born from that union would, in essence, carry a share of my husband's essence. I became a co-wife to his wife, and she, in turn, became a co-wife to me. Moreover, any future generations born into this lineage will continue to be afflicted by and burdened with various such disorders. The underlying point here is this: the diseases that descend from one's ancestors, a phenomenon that has persisted since the Treta Yuga continue to manifest. I have previously spoken regarding the disease of syphilis. Syphilis, too, is of two types. One is direct, overt, and the other is indirect, latent. The indirect form manifests in the offspring born of such unions between men and women. These children are born afflicted with a wide array of ailments. As I have mentioned before, such children may be born as kinnars, transgender individuals, hijras, hijrins, or they may be born blind in one eye, deaf, lame, or hunchback, taking on various distorted forms. Furthermore, even later in life, these disorders may manifest within the individual. What are these? They represent the gradual unfolding and manifestation of all the impurities and dis.
जटिल बीमारी है, बहुत दुखदाई होता है, इसलिए इस दुख से वंचित कराई आगे आने वाले अनुजों को। यही मेरा प्रार्थना है आप लोगों से।